Welcome to the Intuitive Solutions online trainings. Intuitive Solutions provides sales, implementation, training, and support for SuiteMed. We also offer billing services as well as data hosting. You can find us online at www.intuitivesolutions.net or give us a call on our toll-free number, 877-889-1011. My name is Dwayne, and I will be training you today on how to put in a provider courtesy discount. The first thing we need to do is log into the software and set up the specific write-off code that we're going to use as our provider courtesy discount. And the way that we do that is go under Setup, choose Bill, and then Payment Code. I'll click on Add, put in my payment code, my description. It is a write-off. It is not a rejection. It is something we want to see on our patient statement, and it is active. I will save it, then close it, and the next thing I need to do is put in my charge. I will go through our charge posting screen, clicking on the To Be Billed button. The next thing I'll do is filter where the super bill has been entered by our provider. Select this person and select Bill. The first thing you'll see is that there's an open credit here on the bottom left of $10 that was collected upon check-in or check-out. The second thing is that there is an icon at the end of the first CPT line that has a super bill note. To read the super bill note, you simply hover above it or click on the word CPT. It will then reveal your CPT super bill note. Please write off half of copay per Dr. Y. I click OK. And at this point, I'm going to reconcile by saving. It will prompt for reconciliation, and I do want to use the open credit, so I'll select yes. I will select the only one that we have. Notice they paid $10. That $10 is also replicated here. There's still a $10 balance that our provider would like us to write off, so I will put in the $10 here, and then click on the checkbox next to Codes and select our write-off code. I'll select OK, save. I don't want to print a receipt at this point. And that is complete. If we'd like to see what it looks like through the ledger, I would click on Wally, which is on the gold bar, and select Ledger. Looking at your patient's ledger, you can see the CPT, date of service, and a note. If you hover above the note, it tells you please write off half of copay. Here, we see that $20 was transferred to the patient as a copay, of which they paid $10, and we wrote off $10. This concludes our training for today. Thank you. Write off half of copay. Here, we see that $20 was transferred to the patient as a copay, of which they paid $10, and we wrote off $10. This concludes our training for today. Thank you.